Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on edge panel on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know what edge panel it is, so edge panel is a panel on the side of the screen that is used to help us access features such as screenshot, the power button, and many other features using only the panel on the side of the screen without us having to bother looking for this feature. And how to turn it on is very easy, so yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and then here now you can go to display, and then now you can scroll down again, and here now you can activate edge panel. And in this panel you can change or edit the feature in it. You can enter help feature or input application in it, such like this. Here's you can choose the tool or clipboard, or you can choose the apps. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video.